Saturday morning, sweating in the workshop. It's pretty warm here this morning. Just working on the old Chevy truck, as I do pretty much every Saturday. Spin the camera around, show you what's going on. So finished both guards now. Got all the rear lights all Frenched into the fenders. Got a nice little lip rolled and metal finished around the edge. Just been welding some machine bungs to mount them on the underside. Those little suckers all welded in there. Excuse the messy workshop. Race cars all covered up, waiting for next week. Did a heap of work on the 37 during the week. Got all the holes welded up in the firewall. Did a delete panel for the cowl. Just got that in 1K primer so we don't get any surface rust while we're waiting. Brendo's been here doing a heap of body work on the cab, getting the doors all gapped up. I've just got to do some fabrication now on the mirrors to make sure they're where they need to be and make up a couple of supports. Pretty much everything under the bonnet now is complete, everything needed for the motor. The fabrication is probably about 90% done, so Brendan's told me to break the thing down next week and he can separate all the panels and start body working and getting all them dialed in how they need to be, nice and straight. And then it'll be up to Jaden at Distorted to do his magic that he always does. Other than that, everything's rocking and rolling how it sort of needs to. We are absolutely under the gun. We got projects waiting to get in, flat out. We just keep doing what we're doing, and we want to get everything finished that's in here before we take too much more on. The good stuff hiding under there. Excuse the white dust on everything at the moment. Bog dust goes for miles. Anyway, back at it. Have a great weekend.